Hey guys, my name is Madison Harden, and I'm doing my presentation over recreational therapy. This is my professional picture of myself. Okay, so recreational therapists help clients reduce stress, anxiety, and depression by using interventions like sports, meditation, crafts, and other things. Those things could also include water aerobics, rock climbing, horseback riding, or even dance. The duties of a recreational therapist include assessing a client's recreation needs, developing treatment plans and programs, and also providing therapeutic programs to meet those needs. To be a recreational therapist, you only need a bachelor's degree, although a master's or PhD definitely wouldn't hurt. And why I'm majoring in psychology. About a year ago, I had no idea what I wanted to major in. I went through many career changes. I went from a teacher to a neonatal nurse to a cardiac surgeon. Finally, some personal events in my life occurred that landed me into therapy myself. During therapy, I looked up to my therapist so much and loved her and what she did for a living. So much so that seeing all the good she does for me made me want to help other people in the same way. Insert psychology major to become a therapist. In relation to the list of reasons in chapter 13 of the textbook, I think mine is a very unique reason because it comes from my own personal experiences and it doesn't really come from any scientific reasoning. So yeah, that's me.